Welcome to INFORMATOR channel. If you still didn't subscribe, INFORMATOR, then subscribe and press the bell icon. Like, share and comments as well. For more updates, stay tuned with us. Thank you.
For 4 reasons we love kittens. Kittens are adorable. With their large eyes, chubby-looking cheeks, wispy fur, and endearing antics, kittens are just plain cute. In fact, humans are hardwired to find babies cute and want to take care of them. Kittens are no exception. Their sweet faces are irresistible to us. Kittens don't require too much house training. While you certainly need to make sure you have enough litter boxes and that they're kept sparkling clean, house training a kitten is not as labor intensive as house training a puppy. Using a litter box comes pretty intuitively for most kittens, and you usually just have to show them where it is and you're done. Kittens are playful. Everything is interesting to a kitten, and anything can become a toy. Kids are drawn to this attitude, of course, because they have it too, but adults also find this quality endearing. It helps take our minds off of the cares of the day for a few moments and allows us to see the world as the enchanting, fun place our kitten thinks it is. Kitten's purr. A tiny kitten making a tiny purr when you pet him has to be one of the sweetest things ever. Some kittens purr almost constantly while others reserve it for only special moments, but either way, hearing and feeling a kitten purr is among the greatest pleasures in life for a cat person.